Peerless AV is a global leader in audiovisual solutions, including flat panel mounts, precision gear projector mounts, video wall solutions, wireless technologies, video and audio cables, AV racks, AV carts and stands, plus AV accessories. From our ISO 9001 certified 319,000 square foot manufacturing facility located in Aurora, Illinois, Peerless AV proudly manufactures over 3,600 mounting solutions used in 28 vertical markets, including digital signage, education, entertainment, corporate, retail, gaming, stadiums, healthcare, hospitality, restaurants, bars and nightclubs, OEMs, and interactive information. If you've seen a TV, display, or projector at a school, in a mall, at the office, or airport, chances are a Peerless mount is behind it. In fact, each day, Peerless products are a part of your life. Peerless AV is committed to providing the widest selection of mounting solutions with the most innovative design, intuitive functionality, and simple installation. Peerless AV is the only major mount brand made in the USA. Every department from product design, manufacturing, to customer support all work together as a team under one roof. This allows us to deliver solutions to the market faster and respond quicker to urgent customer needs. And Peerless AV is the only mounting manufacturer with a dedicated custom mounting solutions department, able to define, design, and deploy unique customer solutions from a single mount to thousands in just a matter of weeks. Our global network of direct sales representatives, dealers, and distributors provide us with insights into trends and new products, allowing us to swiftly bring new mounting solutions to market as new technologies emerge. From the first full line of universal ultra-thin TV mounts to HD 1080p wireless solutions to video wall mounting systems that reduce installation time up to 60%, Peerless AV is the source for the widest selection of innovative AV mount solutions. It starts with our dedicated engineering team that designs and develops new mounting solutions using the most current design tools, including advanced 3D CAD drawings, predictive modeling, and rapid prototyping. Peerless AV craftsmen then construct working prototypes in the dedicated tool room. These prototypes are tested by our UL certified technicians in our own in-house UL test laboratory. Inside the UL testing laboratory, each product is rigorously tested for maximum weight load and cycle tested for functionality and performance. For products being sold into Europe, Peerless AV also has the only certified in-house TUV GS test lab in the USA. Being able to develop and test prototypes quickly in our own facility gives Peerless AV the ability to bring products to market faster and with greater control. This is managed by our quality control team, whose mission is to inspect materials, suppliers, and products to ensure compliance with our control plan. Every product is tested for form, fit, and function. Proper balances are measured, functional testing is applied, and when the acceptable quality level is met, production begins. Then, at every step of the process, quality control ensures every product we make lives up to the Peerless AV name. Peerless AV is one of the few companies in America that casts our own aluminum components. We start with plentiful stocks of high-grade aluminum. Robot-controlled casting machines press and form the melted aluminum into precision mounts, while ceramic deburring smooths out any rough edges from the casting process. For steel products, state-of-the-art laser CNC machines cut both steel sheets and pipes. The Pipe Laser CNC cuts pipe to the perfect size and cuts out adjustment holes. Advanced laser technology removes secondary mechanical operations from the pipe cutting process and delivers a more consistent product and a better value. Our massive 300-ton and 600-ton presses produce perfectly cut and formed products using the same processes used to manufacture parts for high-performance automobiles. We combine the best that man and machine have to offer. Automated welders provide fast, efficient welds, while skilled craftsmen expertly weld products where only the human touch will do. Then, our dual-line electrostatic powder coating system applies both high gloss and standard finishes. Every product gets cleaned, oven-baked, and hand-finished to ensure a perfect coat. At specialized component stations, skilled technicians assemble products by hand, ensuring each product has a personal touch before it goes into the box. Peerless AV retail products come pre-assembled, so when you take it out of the box, it's intuitive and easy to install. And they come with all the hardware needed for attachment to virtually any surface. Peerless AV professional mounting systems also come pre-assembled and with all the required hardware for a variety of installations. But professionals often need to coordinate large, complex installations. Peerless professional product support includes staging products for shipment, breakdowns of packaging to put different mount components on different skids, time deliveries, and shipments to multiple locations. From our global warehouse network, Peerless AV ships 78% of our standard products in 2 days and 95% in 3 days. And thanks to our local manufacturing capability and in-depth stocking policy, we never run out of our most popular mounts. Every purchase is backed up by our award-winning customer care team, which includes multilingual representatives that speak 7 different languages, all available by telephone and live online chat. 98% of customer questions are resolved in the first call, giving Peerless AV customers the highest level of support in the industry. Nothing at Peerless goes to waste. From heat to water to metal, our commitment to advancing our green manufacturing enterprise and reducing our carbon footprint is part of who we are. The heat produced by our aluminum casting machines is recycled throughout the plant. By using advanced evaporation and water reclamation processes, we release no wastewater into the sewage system, and state-of-the-art electrical monitoring systems and centralized control systems reduce our energy required for a process. We at Peerless AV take great pride in providing the widest selection of the most innovative AV mounting solutions in the world. With decades of experience, delivered through dedicated people, innovative solutions, and a mission to be as supportive and reliable as our products, Peerless AV is ready to serve your needs.